Hello friends, I am Dr. Jyotsna Dev. I am a dermatologist practicing at Nerul, Navi Mumbai. I have been in practice for the last 20 years. At my center in Nerul, the Cutis Skin and Laser Center, we treat a wide variety of dermatological conditions along with aesthetic skin conditions. And we aim to provide a holistic solution to all clinical and aesthetic skin problems. Fungal infection is a skin condition when an overgrowth of fungi occurs in relatively sweaty areas of your skin. These areas include the damp parts of the body which are not easily exposed to airflow. This includes the armpits, feet, thighs, groins, and even the folds of your skin. Although not considered as a serious threat, fungal infections can be very annoying due to their appearance and itchiness. And these 2 points, the appearance and the itchiness, also happen to be the most common complaints of a patient suffering from a fungal infection. Now, the most commonly observed way of contracting a fungal infection is through contact with fungi. Now, these can reside in stale food, unwashed clothes, animals, and even humans. What are the common types of fungal infections? Some of the most commonly found fungal infections on the skin include Tinea corporis, which is ringworm of the body, typically occurring between your torso and limb in the form of red itchy patches. Another form of tinea infections is Tinea pedis or athlete's foot. This normally occurs between the toes of the foot due to the accumulation of sweat there. This infection occurs in the form of blisters and flaky skin between the toes. Jock itch or Tinea cruris is commonly found in the inner part of the thigh, groin, and buttocks. And as the name suggests, Tinea capitis or ringworm of the scalp is commonly found in the form of red, scaly, and bald patches on the scalp. Another form of Tinea versicolor, although not caused by dermatophytes, is caused by yeast. Now, as the name suggests, Tinea versicolor consists of scaly, multicolored patches which occur on the back, chest, and upper arms, and this type of infection is observed in almost all adults in some form or the other. Fungal infections are majorly caused due to unattended growth of fungi in the damp parts of the body. Fungi thrive best in moist, warm environments, and both of these are found in the sweaty parts of the body. However, there is one more major cause of fungal infections which is slowly gaining ascendance nowadays, and that is steroid misuse. Before I elaborate more on this factor, let us first understand the ways to treat fungal infections. The most commonly advised and prescribed treatments for fungal infections include antifungal medications such as azoles, polyenes, echinocandins, and allylamines, topical medications like creams and ointments, antifungal powders and sprays, shampoos in various forms. So as we can see, there is a wide variety of drugs which are used to treat fungal infections. But it is always strongly recommended that you consult an expert dermatologist as soon as you notice any skin problem, be it due to fungal infections or any other reason. A dermatologist is the best person to examine your skin health and suggest a treatment that best suits your condition. There are also some basic preventive measures that one can take to avoid fungal infections. One is clean up well and pat your skin dry every time you work out or you have any other action that involves sweating and sports, etc. Always wear clean, fresh, washed and breathable clothes and shoes, and do not share certain personal things like your towel, t-shirt. In case you already are affected by a fungal infection, make sure you keep that part of the body dry and clean. Avoid clothes which brush against the infection and worsen it. Now, let's have a look at steroid misuse and its effect on the skin. Steroid misuse happens when a person consumes steroids over and over again, way beyond the prescribed amount. Another instance is the use of inappropriate medication to treat a health problem. Use of steroid creams and systemic steroids can cause a variety of fungal infections like coccidioidomycosis, cryptococcosis, histoplasmosis, invasive candida infection and invasive aspergillosis. All these are critical infections. But coming to the skin, steroid misuse can cause a very common skin disease known as tinea incognito. This is also known as ringworm or as daad in Hindi. Tinea incognito is a fungal skin infection that causes circular inflammatory spots on the skin which feel itchy and sometimes painful. When topical steroids are used, they suppress the immune system which allows the fungus to grow easily. So do remember to consult an expert when you notice a skin problem, because as mentioned above, skin infections can also be caused and worsened by incorrect or inappropriate prescription of steroid creams too. I hope I have given you a general understanding of steroids and the fungal infections that steroid misuse can cause. If you need to know more about this topic, feel free to get in touch. Thank you.
To book an appointment with a cosmetologist or a dermatologist in your area, please visit www.skinandhairacademy.in.